So, this is what I think about Dudu Osun herbal soap. I need to breathe in. Yeah, breathe in. Yes, and out. So, I use this soap. Yes, I did this for you guys. You want me to review this soap? So, I used it. This is the one I've already opened. I'm using it. It's actually called above. It seems to be taking ages to finish. I've used it for about 11 days now. So this is the pack. This is the one that is not open yet. Now, Dudu Osun Herbal Black Soap. Now, my review about this soap after using it for about 11 days. This is my review. Before I start, welcome to my channel, my favorite people. If you're new to my channel, my name is Chike Kelly. I'm a certified esthetician, and my channel is about skincare, all things skincare. And for my regular visitors, you're highly welcome. I appreciate you. Thank you. Mwah. So, Dudu Osun. Am I calling it right? Is it the right pronunciation? So, before I talk about what I think about this soap, okay, let me give you a brief, more like a description, or should I say, a brief history about the soap. Yes. So this soap is originally, originated from Africa. I think when you talk about Africa, I think Nigeria, which is part of Africa. And Dudu is more like a Yoruba language. So Dudu means black. So it's a black soap. And it's mainly for people with a dark brown or maybe chocolate kind of skin color. Okay, now the ingredients. Every time I talk about skincare products, I am always very interested when it comes to reading the ingredients, because if you want to know if the product is going to work, or it's going to react to your skin, or it's going to cause any irritation, you need to always read the ingredients before you buy. Okay, so Dudu also has palm kernel oil, cocoa pod ash, palm bunch ash, shea butter, water, honey, lime juice, Osun, which is more like a camwood, and it has aloe vera, it has lemon juice, and it has fragrance. And on the pack here, it says it contains no artificial colors, no preservatives, and is biodegradable. Okay, now there are three ingredients that actually caught my eyes that made me I did not use this soap on my face. I am sorry for those of you that wanted me to use it on my face. I don't use soap on my face. Now, Maybe when I was like little or a teenager, when I haven't got, had my beauty, study and all that. But since I became an esthetician, and I did a lot of, natural ingredients, formulating ingredients and studying about ingredients. I don't like using soap on my face. No. But it's up to you, it's optional. But for me, I did not use this soap on my face. I only use it on my body. Okay? The reason is because the first thing, I don't use soap on my face. Let me take these glasses off so you can see my eyes very well. I don't use soap on my face. And the second thing is, this soap has lemon juice, lime juice, and fragrance. Okay, so I will probably advise, if you have sensitive skin, dry skin, do not use it. Now, what is the benefits of using this? What is this soap actually made for? I said earlier it's for brown, dark, or chocolate skin. But the main reason why this soap was manufactured is to treat acne, dark spots, any skin blemish like freckles, or like I mentioned, acne and dark spots and all that. But I see a lot of videos where they tell you, oh, leave it on your face for a few minutes before washing it off. Then you're like going to an extreme of using this soap as more like a skin lightening or skin bleaching cream. Soap, sorry. A skin lightening or skin bleaching cream. This soap is not supposed to be left on your face for more than, the highest is like 45 seconds if you're taking the risk of using it on your face, because I don't use it on my face. I did not use it on my face. I'm sorry to disappoint you. I couldn't see myself putting it on my face. I was so scared. I'm like, nah, I love you guys so much, but I just couldn't risk my skin. Yeah, I couldn't risk it because I was afraid of, okay, it's going to burn my skin, or it's going to cause, irritation or something. Okay, even using it on my body, I noticed that after using it, I feel like my skin is dry. Yeah, I feel like, it's kind of dry. Okay, so the lime and the lemon juice, they are very strong. They are citrus, so they are strong. So my advice to you is, if you're going to use it on your face, don't use it during the daytime. Or if you're going to use it during the daytime, make sure you lather your face with sunscreen, because lime and lemon, they're strong. They are strong ingredients. They're citrus, so they can easily burn your skin. They can cause irritation on your skin, or even make you get like these dark patches on your face. So it's not something I would recommend that you use during the daytime. It says it treats eczema. I'm a little bit it's a bit arguable, because it has lime and lemon and it has fragrance, and for people suffering from eczema, fragrance is not their best friend. Actually, fragrance will make the irritation worse, the eczema worse. Okay, but it says there that it can, it's good for people that has eczema. Maybe, I'm not sure, maybe. But what do I think about it generally? What do I think about it? Dudu Osun, what do I think about you? Yeah, you can use it on your body. If you have dark spots, a lot of people, they have like, acne and other on their skin, or maybe they have blemishes or hyperpigmentation. But it's not something that I will recommend that you use on your face. But if you're going to insist on using it on your face, make sure you use it only at night, and make sure you lather your face with enough sunscreen. Yes, we need to protect that skin. We need to protect that skin. You don't want to, it's strong. It's strong. But I wouldn't say don't use it. I wouldn't say don't use it, because black soap is usually good, especially for dark skin, skin of color. Black soap is usually good for us, okay, because we suffer from a lot of hyperpigmentation. So yeah, you can use it. All right, I will have to finish it because mine came on when I was ordering it. I didn't know that it comes on a like 3-pack. So mine came 3 in 1. It's 3, 3 in 1 pack. So I have to finish it. Moisturize your skin very well after using this soap because it has very strong, lime lemon juice. The other ingredients are good. It has aloe, it has honey, it has shea butter. So yeah, maybe. I hope it's a good review for you. Sorry that I couldn't use it on my face. I'm so sorry, but I just couldn't. Okay. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Well, the reason why I'm laughing is for those that that are so expecting me to say I use it on my face. I couldn't use it on my face. I'm so sorry. I just couldn't use it. Now, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to like this video. It won't be fair not to like it. And also subscribe, okay? Subscribe and subscribe and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, click the notification button as well. The bell button, hit the bell button so that anything that's happening on my channel, you will get notified, okay? And make sure you share this video as well. I love you guys. I love you so much. And I appreciate all your support. Now, I look forward to seeing you in my next video, alright? Mwah.